Quantum mechanics practice questions. Number 10. Let's try. N is equal to 3. Alright, we gotta figure out if this is allowed or not. Every single set of quantum numbers, see if it works out. So let's start with A. So N is equal to 3. L is equal to N minus 1. So 3 minus 1 should give us 2. Seems like that works out. Okay, it's pretty straightforward right now. ML 2 equals 0. Well, obviously the formula should be 2L plus 1. So 2L plus 1. So 2 times 2 gives you 4, plus 1 gives you 5. Alright, so let's draw out our orbitals. And every single orbital here has a certain value. Well, what's the value? Remember, negative L to positive L. So negative 2 all the way up to positive 2. So negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Now, N is equal to 3. We got it. L is equal to 2. We got it. ML is equal to 0. We got it. So this works out really well. So that is A. Alright, let's also try B. Alright, N is equal to 1. L is equal to 1. Does it work out? Remember, N minus 1. So 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Okay? Or even 0 to N minus 1, right? Because technically it's always 0 to N minus 1. Well, 0 to 0. Well, both this number 1 does not fit any of these as an exact copy. So this definitely does not work out. So this here is not allowed. Now let's do C. Alright, N is equal to 0. L is equal to 0. Well, N minus 1 will give you negative 1. I mean, if it gives us negative 1, this doesn't even fit. So this here is not allowed either. And then the last one, N is equal to 5. Alright, L is equal to 1. If that's the case, what's N minus 1? It should be 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Okay, but remember it's 0 up to N minus 1. So it could be 0 up to 4. 4. Okay, so it could be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, or that 4. Well, L falls within that parameter. So it's actually okay. This works out okay. Alright, we're not at the finish line yet. We got to do ML is equal to 3. ML is equal to 3. Okay, remember, do not forget the formula 2L plus 1. So 2 times 1 gives you 1, plus 1 gives you 3. Okay, so we have to, like we did. But never forget negative L to positive L. Okay, negative 1 to 1. Again, 0 is in the middle to follow that range. Okay, well, N is equal to 5. L is equal to 1. Does ML equal 3? No, we don't have that there. So this is not true. This here is not allowed.